Hello, in front of me I've got REALME 10 Pro Plus. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Google Wallet, tap Add to Wallet and focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's go to Transit Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty Card, and now select shop you would like to add loyalty card to, for example, Rossmann, Poland. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. Next, let's select Gift Card, and similar to Loyalty Card, select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.